How to set a thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. So you want to create a nice thumbnail, a custom thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. This is what you need to do. Right here is your YouTube app. So the first step you need to take right here on your YouTube app like this is to click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. So once you do that like this, scroll at the bottom and click on short. Now go ahead and click on the gallery option like this and select the video that you want to upload as your shorts. So right here, you just need to go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. Click on next like this. So once you do that, go ahead and click on next again or done. So right here, you can just go ahead and add the sound that you want to add to it, or the text or effects. Now once you're done, before clicking on upload, go ahead and click on next. So once you do this, look at right here is where you can actually add a caption to your shorts. So after adding the caption or title to your shorts, add the description as well. Now come right here and click on the pen icon on this video right here. So when you click on the pen icon like this, you're going to be able to see different phases of the video, different scenes of the video. So you just need to scroll at the bottom, look for the best part of the video that you want to display as the front view, which is going to be your thumbnail for the video. Select it like this. So let's say I want this part to be my thumbnail. You just need to select that part and click on the OK button at the top of your screen. You can see the good icon at the top of your screen. So just go ahead and click on that, and you can see that it is now displaying as my thumbnail right here. So when you upload this video, it is going to be showing as your thumbnail for the video. Whenever someone sees the video, that is the first part they are going to see on that video. So this is how simple it is for you to be able to set a custom thumbnail on your YouTube Shorts. Hope you found this guide helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.